Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we actually need your help. We've been nominated by 3D Printing Industry, the online magazine, for Value Added Reseller of the Year. Firstly, thank you, since this was a totally public nomination. And secondly, thank you for being customers. And thirdly, thank you for helping vote us to win on this one. All you need to do is go to the link in the description below, scroll down the page a little bit, and fill out the form on their page. There's about 20 categories, so it only takes a couple minutes, and we'd really appreciate it. It's just a huge honor to be on the list in the first place. It really feels good.
On that note, I gotta say thank you so much to you guys. I mean, seriously, if you saw where me and Rob came from 4 years ago in a little 500 square foot office, just printing our brains out, failing over and over, to see what it's grown into today, absolutely blows my mind, and we could not have done it without you guys. I mean, seriously, every day I get to come into the office and we're talking to people from engineers at NASA, Northrop Grumman, all the way down to the guy in his bedroom trying to print a shifter for his car. Working with you motivates me on a daily basis, and we could not have gotten to where we are without your help. So I just want to say personally, thank you so much. We appreciate everything you guys do for us, the support you give, and we can't wait to take this to the top and keep growing more and more with you. So, man, have a freaking positive day. Take it over, Rob.
Thanks, Pat. Oh, heck yeah. Dude, like I was saying, it feels amazing to see everything that's happened over the years, and that our customers and fans really appreciate what we do enough to get us up on there. So we've always been focused on providing high quality, high performance equipment for 3D printing materials like PEEK, Ultimate, PPSU, 3D scanning, and now even more technologies, keeping the best brands in the field in stock, while at the same time developing our own in-house solutions like nanopolymer adhesive and our carbon fiber build plates. We're here to serve you guys, and we're honored to be on this list. Okay, so just head on over to that page, scroll down a bit to check out all the other cool companies doing great things in the industry. We've got YouTubers like Intexa and Uncle Jesse, 6K Additive, Gil over at 3D Alliances, Relativity Space, Vela 3D, Aeon 3D, AMT, Shining 3D, Chimera 3D, our dealers 3D Jake, even Slice Engineering, and everyone else we missed. Congratulations to all of you. Way to be making a difference in the industry. Anyway, thank you all for choosing Vision Miner, whether you're a customer, subscriber, or just a fan, and we ask you all to vote for us today. Go there right now and click that link that's on the screen. It would really help us a lot. And with that, keep up the innovating, the imagining, the creating, the making, the everything, and always remember, your visions are waiting.